Hello, David Caudill here, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video showing you about a new product called Push Button Ecover 2.0. I don't know that it's really a new product, but it's a wonderful little product that's been brought to my attention and has really been working out great for me. It's really simple to use, and that's what I'm here to demonstrate. So let's get started. As you can see, I've brought it up on my screen. This is the control panel for the Push Button Ecover 2.0. And as you can see, you can import backgrounds. Um, Myself, I like to use the transparent background. We have some wonderful little features. Myself personally, I like to raise the DPI to about 300, and because of the flat images that I'm using, I'm going to be going with a 400 by 400 image. So first things first, we'll bring up you have such a variety of templates to choose from. I think there's 14 different templates to choose from. So we're going to start off with just a simple box. What you do is you go to your image folder, wherever you have your images stored. I have mine stored on the desktop just for the shooting of this video. And we're going to use the flat image for my new product, for my new free report that'll be coming out soon, along with my new ebook. And there it is. As you can see, you can adjust the shading and the highlights, kind of tone those down a little bit. And there it is. Okay, now as you can see, we still need a side image and a top image. So there once again, we go back to our image folder, or wherever you have your images stored. Now, like I say, some of these I already had made up and lined up, ready just for the making of this video. And there you go. So, one of my favorite little top images on here. And there you have it. Now, as you can see, you can also adjust the density of the shadows, or you can choose not to have a shadow at all. Like I say, this has really been a great little product. It's worked out real well for me. So okay, now as you can see there, our box is completely done. And for the 3D images, as you can see, the front two is actually just the back. So there again, you can really, all you're going to do is go through and reload the images that unless you have some different images that you want for the back. But that's basically it. And then you go through and you load your other side, just like so. And there's that. Okay, now you see the disk image here. We go back to the disk template, hit apply, find the image that you would like, and again we'll go with the free report just because it's quick, simple, and there you have it. Now as you go back through, you'll see that it's already been applied to everything for you, whether you're wanting a disc or a book and a disc, which is one of my favorites right here. And then you just simply save it to your desktop or wherever you're going to save it to. I'm going to save mine to my desktop here, and we will call this image 211245 and save that to our desktop. Minimize, and here it is right here. And open it up and see what we got. And there it is. Well, that's it, and I thank you very much, and I hope that you take advantage of this great little product It's so simple to use. It's quick, very cost effective. So thank you very much and have a great day.